Eyeliner has the power to completely transform a look, framing the eyes and adding drama, definition, or a subtle enhancement with just a few strokes. Whether you're dressing up for a special occasion or looking to refine your everyday style, quick eyeliner designs are versatile, creative, and easy to customize to your own facial features and preferences. Let's explore some of the most popular and accessible eyeliner styles, along with a few techniques to elevate your artistry in just a few minutes. The classic style that never goes out of fashion is the simple line. Applied along the upper lash line, it serves to define the eyes. For a quick version, start from the inner corner and glide your pencil, gel, or liquid liner outward in an even, smooth motion. This technique works beautifully for both beginners and advanced makeup enthusiasts and is perfect for creating a polished, natural look that subtly enhances your features. For more drama and a healthy dose of vintage glamour, the winged liner is a timeless favorite. Achieving this look is simpler than it appears. After drawing your basic upper line, extend it outward and upward at the outer corner, creating a wing that lifts and elongates the eye. Thicken the line for a bolder appearance, or keep it thin for a delicate flick. A small piece of tape or a card edge can serve as a guide if you're perfecting the angle, making this chic style easy to recreate, even when you're in a hurry. If you're feeling playful, the double wing offers a creative twist. Instead of stopping at one wing, add a second flick just below the main one, following the curve of the lower lash line. This design instantly adds an artistic flair, perfect for evenings out or moments when you want to express your personality through makeup. The cat eye, a cousin to the winged liner, is characterized by bold, thick coverage on the upper lid, tapering sharply at the outer edge. To update the traditional approach, begin with a thin line in the inner corner and gradually widen as you draw outwards, finishing with an upward flick. This style is flattering on a variety of eye shapes, lending an alluring intensity to your gaze. For those who value subtle enhancements, the tight line method is a quick and effective option. Rather than drawing on top of the lashes, gently apply liner to the upper waterline, the space just beneath the lash roots. This technique makes the lashes appear fuller and the eyes brighter, delivering a barely there definition perfect for minimalist routines. Smudged liner creates a soft, smoky effect that's just as quick, with less demand for precision. Simply line the upper or lower lash lines with a pencil, then use a small brush or fingertip to blend and diffuse the edges. This style is forgiving and effortless, giving off an undone, sultry charm, ideally suited for spontaneous nights or laid-back days. Graphic lines and floating eyeliner have surged in popularity, offering endless room for experimentation. Try drawing a swoop above the crease, or tracing geometric shapes or colored lines around the eye for a bold, modern statement. These looks can be as minimal or dramatic as you desire, and are a fun way to play with color and symmetry. Whatever style you choose, the key to quick eyeliner designs is practice and confidence. Begin with short, controlled strokes, rather than trying to achieve the perfect line in one motion. Clean up any uneven edges with a cotton swab or a touch of concealer for a crisp, professional finish. Remember, eyeliner is as much about creativity and self-expression as it is about technique, so don't hesitate to experiment until you find the designs that make you feel your most empowered and radiant.